Good evening, culinary stars, and welcome to the grand finale of Savor the Flavor. I'm your host, MiaVerse Justin, and alongside me is the ever-charismatic Justin.
What is this?
Tonight, we roll out the red carpet for the Flavorful Awards, celebrating the incredible journey we've embarked on in this cooking series.
Oh, of course it is. Well, I guess I'm not making the best stress list here, huh?
What? You mean to tell me that cereal chic isn't the latest trend on the culinary red carpet?
Mia, can you help me out, please?
Welcome to our show, everyone. Today, we're honoring the world of seasoning essentials, supporting flavors, and techniques. We'll dive into the art of seasoning our food to enhance our culinary skills and understand how these ingredients can transform our cooking. Time to savor the flavor. Let's kick off the first category in the Flavorful Awards, seasoning essentials. Think of your favorite dish. What kinds of seasonings amp up its flavor? Take a second to savor that thought. You might be dreaming of garlic-infused bread, salty popcorn, rosemary's touch in roast chicken, or the sweet whisper of cinnamon in apple pie. Each seasoning isn't just an ingredient, it's a defining character in our culinary story. Let's start with a fundamental element in every chef's arsenal: salt. In the world of salt, we commonly encounter three types of it. Can you name any? Table salt, kosher salt, and sea salt. Each plays a unique role in the kitchen. Table salt dissolves quickly for even flavoring, while kosher salt provides better control for seasoning meats and veggies. Sea salt can add a final flavor touch with its unique minerals. Did you know that salt can actually amplify and enhance the flavors of other ingredients? By drawing out natural flavors, salt helps balance and highlight the unique characteristics of your other ingredients, making your dish more vibrant and tasty. With salt, less is often more. Remember, the goal with salt is to enhance, not overwhelm. Salt and other herbs and spices don't just add taste, they enhance, complement, and bring contrast to our dishes, offering a new dimension to every meal. Over in the realm of herbs and spices, there's usually a choice between fresh and dried. Fresh herbs like basil and mint offer vibrant flavors, while dried ones like cumin and nutmeg add complexity. You can often substitute dried for fresh. A general rule is 1 tablespoon fresh equals 1 teaspoon dried. This choice impacts both the taste and cost of your dish. Growing herbs at home can help cut costs and add zest to your dishes. If space is tight, even small pots can yield a steady supply. Dried herbs and spices are cost-effective, long-lasting, and packed with flavor. They're perfect for learners in the kitchen who want to experiment with flavors. Whether it's salt, fresh herbs, or dried spices, seasoning is essential for flavor. Congratulations to our winners in this category. Let's take a look at our next award. Next up in the Flavorful Awards, Best Supporting Flavor. Here we salute those seasonings that subtly lift a dish to new heights. Seasoning is like a dance, where each spice and herb plays its part to enhance the flavors of a meal. What are some flavors you already love eating? I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. For the novice chefs out there, let's spotlight a few essential nominees for your kitchen. Black pepper, the star of a classic cacio e pepe. Black pepper adds a sharp, mildly spicy kick that turns a simple dish into a gourmet experience. Garlic, the leading flavor in garlic bread. Garlic, whether fresh or dried, transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary with its sharp, pungent depth and irresistible aroma. Paprika, the signature spice in a traditional Hungarian goulash, paprika brings a sweet and smoky depth that's as vibrant in color as it is in flavor. Parsley, a garnish on lemony tabbouleh, parsley offers a fresh, peppery brightness that complements the zesty flavors of Middle Eastern cuisine. Thyme, a trusty sidekick in your Thanksgiving turkey, thyme's subtle, earthy flavor builds a savory foundation in dishes that require time to simmer and meld flavors. Basil, the hero in a classic caprese salad, basil's sweet herbal notes create a symphony of flavors with ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella. Cumin, the spice that steals the show in an authentic chili con carne, cumin's warm, earthy notes with a hint of citrus are the secret to its comforting, deep flavor profile. And that's just the beginning. There are countless seasoning stars waiting to be discovered from so many different cultures. What's one new spice or cuisine you'd like to bring into your kitchen? Pause to brainstorm. Sounds delicious, Star Chefs. Congratulations to our winners in the Best Supporting Flavors category. Remember, our flavor world is vast and full of surprises. Don't shy away from experimenting. The more you explore, the more seasoned your skills will become. Next up in our show, the Technical Award. We're honoring the art of using seasoning techniques that elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Consider this. How do you think the timing of adding salt, herbs, and spices changes a dish's taste? Understanding when to introduce herbs and spices is crucial. It's the difference between a good dish and an extraordinary one. It's all about layering the flavors during different stages of cooking. You can start seasoning even before you start cooking. One way is with a marinade. A marinade is a flavorful mix of oil, acid like vinegar or citrus juice, and herbs and spices used to soak foods before cooking. It enhances flavor, especially if left overnight. For beginners, a recipe is a great guide helping you learn how to mix and apply marinades effectively. During cooking, seasoning is an active process. It's about tasting and adjusting. If a dish tastes bland, a little salt can make a difference. Follow recipes for guidance, but remember to add salt, spices, and herbs gradually throughout the cooking process. As we finish cooking, you can sprinkle on herbs, add some fresh pepper, or a squeeze of citrus for a final flavor boost. These finishing touches can help define your dish's first impression. Take a moment to reflect on a favorite recipe and imagine a unique finishing touch to enhance its flavors. Jot down your ideas. Recipes are great guides for seasoning, and as you practice, you'll intuitively know what each dish needs. Our garlic enthusiasts already know. Sometimes it's all about following your heart. And the Best Technique Award goes to all the amazing combinations we've explored. The best pairings are the ones that suit your taste. Remember, cooking is a blend of art and science. By experimenting and understanding the reasons behind these techniques, you're on your way to becoming a culinary artist and a more confident cook. What an unforgettable evening at the Flavorful Awards. Justin, it looks like you win the award for Best Dressed after all. Yeah, we clean up pretty good, Mia versus me. And tonight's brightest stars? You, our culinary explorers. Your enthusiasm and creativity in this journey deserve a special award, Rising Chef. Congratulations. May these awards inspire you to keep exploring, experimenting, and innovating in your kitchens. We'll catch you at our next adulting adventure.
Hey.